Jenny Brown. I'm the Garden Programs Manager here at A&S, and I would come up with a few ideas for you all to get started on your gardens this spring. This is the perfect time of year to grow lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, things like bok choy, tatsoi. If you happen to have those seeds, now's the time to put them in the ground. It's very easy. You just get a bag of potting soil, any old pot that you can poke holes in or has holes in it, a sunny spot, and I find it fascinating to read the instructions on the back of the package. That can be a whole place where you learn a new language about gardening. So lettuces and spinach, Swiss chard. If you have more room outside, carrots, beets, and radishes are great to plant right now.